So using this biomass material, you can convert it into bio-CNG or bioethanol. This is the latest technology what here has invented. For it to convert into a bioethanol or a bio-CNG, it will take minimum 30 to 40 days. Our company is there from past 30 years. As you know, today the government has taken so many sustainable inventions to process biomass into a bioethanol or bio-CNG. As you can see, the biomass is getting wasted by burning all around. So using this biomass material, you can convert it into bio-CNG or bioethanol, but people are wasting it, they don't know what to do. But using in a digester, it will take minimum 30 to 40 days for it to convert into a bioethanol or a bio-CNG. So what our machine does is, so we will precondition this. So when we precondition this, the lignin part, whatever it is there inside this, we will break that in the crystalline structure of the lignin, we will break that and we will expose the cellulose and hemicellulose of it. After that, that will be used in a digester wherein the fermentation will happen faster. So I'll just show you the demo. So this is our HMI. So as you can see, this is a co-rotating twin screw extruder. This is the latest technology what the Skier has invented in it. If you can see here, the fibers are opened. It is exactly ready for the next process for the fermentation. So the parts are getting synced. So when the particles are synced, this shows this is ready for fermentation. So another 6 to 7 days you can extract a gas or ethanol from this. So basically telling, our company is there from past 30 years. So we are situated in Bangalore and we are a technology oriented company. So we supply extruders for polymer industries, pharma as well as food and others. As you know, this is a lab scale extruder. This is made only for prototype and demos. If you want, we have produced a new machine which gives you 5 to 10 tons per hour. That is the machine you can see. That is a production scale machine. As of running in Reliance and IOCL sites and other GPS customers. So we are based in Bangalore and we give service all over the country, and you can reach us through www.steerworld.com by any time. Thank you.